We started off with two ideas. We wanted to do the IASEPA and honor our past, but we also wanted to focus on the Youth Battalion and the future and revelation that we've received recently from President Nelson.
So it's Youth Battalion, IASEPA, and then the camping idea.
We're talking about the IASEPA in Utah.
Obedience brings success. Exact obedience brings miracles. Laie Hawaii in our state. Let's go. Go over. Go around. Go around. Go around. Go around. Oh my God. Oh, don't kill her. Oh. Prepare myself while I am young. This is my sacred duty.
And how the IASEPA and the Youth Battalion can teach about exact obedience and what it does for us.
Teach me to pray to my Father above. Teach me to know of the things that are right. Teach me to walk in the light.
Yesterday when we were walking around Laie, sometimes it was like, oh, I'm so tired, oh, I could just lay on the floor right now and go sleep, but it was having that, no, let's just keep going, because like we worked so hard to put this together, that having that mentality helped me have an even greater experience.
It's unity, if anything. Just learning how to work together and enjoying each other's company.
So Youth Conference 2019 has been a huge blessing for me. Honestly, I didn't want to come. I'm not the type of person to want to camp, but in being obedient and coming and spending time with people in your ward, but also in the stake, I felt that I've gained more connections with other people. I've begun to know the true meaning of exact obedience. It's not only just doing exactly as you're told, but doing it with the right spirit, and not seeking after the blessings, but realizing that there are blessings to come if you are obedient. And I hope that as we all go home, we don't forget this experience and we continue to tell other people about it.